top list of the best Forex signal trading system, selecting the right trading signal services for you. Trading is changing. The speed at which people are making huge profits as traders is continuously accelerating. Technology has improved tremendously in predicting price movements with laser accuracy. As a result, it is very critical to understand when to act in the Forex market based on indications. Forex signals are recommendations made by humans, computer software, or trading robots that convey information about a currency pair. This information will enable you to make a correct decision about whether or not to pursue a given deal. This is vital for a trader since it allows you to select whether or not to trade that particular currency and the chance of profit. The trader will receive a signal when the analyst believes that it is time to buy or sell that currency. Therefore, you must have the right trading signals to guide you in the intensively competitive environments you will find in the stock market, futures, and Forex and options markets. The challenge is that it is not as simple as finding the one best trading signal, because just like everything else in your trading system, your signals should be based on your beliefs and your trading strategy. The way you enter and exit the market should be based on what you believe about your trading strategy and how the markets work. If this is not the case, you will have trouble pulling the trigger when you get a signal. There are some Forex signal providers out there, especially those that provide their services for free. I recommend you to try these trading signal trading systems. These software systems provide an explanation of a huge number of trading indicators and signals, and is an invaluable reference for new and experienced traders alike. We've reviewed the top 5 trading signal providers to help you find the best Forex service for your trading behaviors, budget, and experience. 1. Tradiology Trade Command Center. Tradiology Trade Command Center, TCC, is a system that enables all of this for a low cost. According to Forex experts, it is worth every dollar it costs. You must spend roughly $500 for the first year of its subscription, which is not even half of its original value. Furthermore, there's solid evidence that the Trading Command Center Signals platform delivers on its claims. The system heavily focuses on trading signals, education, resource-getting signals every 15 minutes across multiple time frames, and solid knowledge to help traders. The Tradiology team will provide all of the specifics about the Trade Command Center Financial Trading Signals system and how it works during the webinars. Attendees will also benefit from free signals on webinars held on official trading days. 2. 1000 PIP Builder. 1000 PIP Builder is an established provider that has been producing Forex signals for several years. This service provider offers detailed guidance about the signal trading process, allowing beginners to jump in and begin trading with confidence. 1000 PIP Builder sends its Forex signals through email, telegram, and text message. Each signal includes entry, stop loss, and take profit prices, so you can know exactly what you serve to gain or lose before executing an exchange. This Forex signal service delivers barebones, pure signals, so you can use its professional recommendation as you see fit. Once you create an account, 1000 PIP Builder will send you detailed information about how its signals work and how to start trading Forex. The company advertises that its services are perfect for beginners, as it walks you through every step of the trading process to ensure that you utilize its signal information correctly. One of this provider's best-selling points is its partnership with lead trader Bob James. Bob has over 10 years of mentorship and Forex trading experience, and he currently conducts research and analytics for 1000 PIP. You can establish direct, one-to-one contact with Bob James every day to ask questions or receive advice, giving 1000 PIP Builder an advantage over less personalized signal providers. Overall, 1000 PIP Builder is the best Forex signal provider for beginner traders or those who would like a little extra cushion from their provider. 3. Trend Profiteer. Trend Profiteer is a relatively popular expert advisor, EA, owned by a renowned elite trader called Michael Newrock. It is marketed as a premium trend management software. Unlike other EAS that we have come across, this product's sales page is free from weird, overnight wealth claims. In fact, Michael stands out with his down-to-earth attitude. And so, it's tempting to trust him. But just how effective is his so-called profiteering system? The Trend Profiteer system provides crystal-clear entry signals and simple rules that completely removes the guesswork from your trading so you know exactly when to enter trades. The idea behind this system is to provide you with the many benefits of artificial intelligence in trading along with lots of hands-on skills. Indeed, the educational content provided by Mike is applicable to all kinds of currency pairs and can be useful even when not using the Trend Profiteer expert advisor itself. Primarily, this system is designed for Forex traders who would like to take advantage of trends and swings. We'd recommend this system to anyone who is willing to learn the ropes. If you're into Forex and don't mind taking unconventional risks, this is definitely a program worth trying. However, if you're into stocks and options, this might not make much sense to you. 4. TradeJuice Cloud-Based Trading Signal System. TradeJuice is a great amazing trading system that is a complete no-brainer. This platform is completely great in which it is unlike anything you've seen before. It is the only trading tool that you will ever need instead of trying to find new superlatives. TradeJuice is not a software, trading system, or robot. It is a sophisticated cloud-based integration of proprietary algorithms that calculate every candle, pip, and trend in multiple markets. This trading software delivers you hot, juicy trades and setups that only require 24 hours a day. This program is for Forex, covering more than 26 currency pairs. Also, it includes commodities like gold, silver, and oil, among others. This trading software top indices like the DAX and S&P 500, and much more. This system includes all the hot cryptocurrencies like BTC, ETH, and much more. 5. 1000 PIP Climber System. 1000 PIP Climber System is a particular tool that uses a 100% rule-based algorithm to provide automatic analysis of the Forex market. This robot service then indicates to users any particularly strong signals, allowing them to act on trades as and when they want to. While 1000 PIP Climber System does all the upfront work for you, it doesn't offer an automated trading service, stopping just short by providing specific instructions and guidance that users can then use how they want. Signals can be sent via email, push notification, or within the software itself for ease of use and accessibility. How the system works. The system's main selling point is the correct and easy-to-follow signals that it provides. The automated currency trading will auto-buy and sell your currency of choice without you having to supervise anything. The 1000 PIP Climber system is well set up, making it easy for non-technical users to enjoy it as well. In addition, all the industry factors are supplied by the system, from admittance cost to quit reduction and getting profit. If you're looking for a simple, practical way to access Forex signals automatically, then 1000 PIP Climber system may be the right fit for you. Conclusively, we have hopefully covered everything you need to know. Finding a trustworthy and reliable signal provider is hard. While no one can guarantee profits, our list of most trusted trading signals providers is a good place to start searching for trading services that are more in line with your financial goals. It is quite evident from the above-mentioned details that all Forex signal providers listed are best in many aspects. However, it is always suggested to choose the Forex signal service provider who is transparent, reliable, and focuses on long-term business relations with its clients. A good signal service will significantly and immediately impact your profitability. Thank you for watching this video presentation. All the best to your trading success.